basically a matrix in
Mm-hmm.
which we can represent two-dimensional variable or three-dimensional, in which we can represent or we can differentiate variables either in two dimension or in three dimension.
Oh, okay. So is Jacobian a three-dimension one?
In this question number 6, calculate the Jacobian of the function x square cos y plus e power z sin y. This is basically a three-dimensional function. You can see this function involves three variable x, y, and z. So this is a three-variable function.
Mm, I see. Okay. I see now.
And we then we have to evaluate or find the answer at point pi and 1. I mean, we have to put the value of x is equal to pi, y is equal to pi, and z is equal to pi at the end of the answer.
Oh, okay. But how about one? So I thought like x is matching with pi, y is matching with pi, and z is matching with one.
Yes, Bill.
Okay. So let me read through. So line number one, fxyz is x2 cos. Okay, this is the question. Different.
This is the question, but remember, the thing in the power of e is z. It is not square, it is z.
Oh, okay.
X.
Let me also open the quiz because the letter
Yeah.
is small. So let me open the quiz also. Hmm. Ah, okay. I see now. So, oh, wait. So question number 6. Oh, it's a Z. Yes, you are right. That's why I was the wrong
Just
answer.
wait a minute. I have to open that whiteboard. What's what name of the whiteboard? App.
AWW something. Here you start type. I think it should give you. No, AWW. W like worldwide. Oh, yes. AWW app. Yes.
Now should I start?
Yes, please.
Acha, in the step number 1, we have given the question f of x, y, z is equal to x square y plus e power z into sine y.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, we have to differentiate this function with respect to x.
Mm-hmm.
In step 3, what actually I did, I basically take derivative or differentiation both sides with respect to x.
Mm-hmm.
That is del f by del x. And step number 3, del f by del x is equal to del by del x of x square cos y plus del by del x of e power z into sine y.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I
Are
understand.
you getting me?
Yes.
Acha, feel free to ask me any question. If you're facing any type of difficulty, feel free to ask me.
Sure, I understand. Yes, I understand. Step 3 and step 4 is
Yeah.
the.
Acha, and step number 4, what basically I did, basically I am differentiating the function with respect to x. So cos y will be moved forward from the derivative,
Mm-hmm.
because derivative will not be applied to other than x.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So I basically what I did in step number 4, I move forward cos y forward for preceding the derivative, and I written the derivative del by del x only with x square.
Mm-hmm. I have quick question. So this is the formula, right? There's a differentiate formula that related to this.
Acha, I am telling you this formula. I am writing you on the whiteboard.
Ah,
Please,
okay.
now you will understand. The
Okay.
formula is basically, if I have given a function y is equal to, let's say, 2
Mm-hmm.
4 x square. I have given this function. Are you getting me, Jane?
Yes, I can hear you.
Acha, if I have to differentiate this function with respect to x, so what will I do? I will take differentiation both sides with respect to x. So del y by del x is equal to Basically, this derivative will only be applied to the term x and not the rest of the term.
Mm-hmm.
So what actually I will do, I will move 2 forward and I will only apply the derivative to x.
Yes.
So this is what actually I did there in the step number 4.
Yes.
I move forward the term cos xy because in this step number 3 cos xy is basically the constant for the differentiation x. So I move xy forward and I only applied the derivative to x square.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
And I put 0 in step number 4 because the derivative of I already written in the front of that I pointed an arrow that derivative del f by del x of constant is equal to 0.
Mm-hmm.
This is basically a formula. What is the formula? Formula is this: if we have given a constant, for example, I have given a constant y is equal to 3 and I have to differentiate this with respect to x. So del y by del x is equal to derivative of 3 del by del x of 3. So remember, derivative of constant, this is basically the formula of differentiation. The derivative of any constant is equal to 0.
Oh, I'm not so sure about this. Can you explain for me again? Or maybe
Yeah, again.
yeah, can you show me this formula on the differentiation? I think I sent you the differentiation
Yeah,
formula.
here you can see. This
Mm-hmm.
is basically I am differentiating this term with respect to x. You are getting
Oh,
me?
yes.
But if I see there is no x term, it is z and this is y. So this whole term become a constant.
Yes.
So the derivative of constant is equal to 0.
Oh, I see.
And
Oh,
I have written this formula in front, the derivative differentiation of a constant is equal to 0. And this is a formula of differentiation. You have to written this formula with yourself.
oh, yes. I remember now. Yes.
Acha, now come to step number 5.
Yes.
Hello. And step number 5, what actually I did, I apply the formula of derivative that is called power rule. That is called power rule.
I'm not sure about this formula.
Yeah. I am, just wait a minute. I am written it on the whiteboard.
Mm-hmm.
This formula, let's see if we have given a function
Mm-hmm.
y is equal to f of x and whole power n.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have to differentiate this function with respect to x,
Mm-hmm.
with respect to
To what?
x. So I will take differentiation on both sides. Are you getting me?
Yes.
If you have any question, feel free to ask me
Mm-hmm.
anytime.
Yes. Thank you.
So this will become f of x or whole power n. Now when here I will apply power rule. What I will apply? Power rule.
Can you tell me more about the power rule?
Yeah, I am. It is called power rule. And what power rule? State is power rule. State is, look here, that you will move the power. You will move the power forward. So I will return the power forward. Getting me?
Yes.
So this power will move forward,
Yes.
and subtract 1 from the power.
Mm-hmm.
Subtract 1 from the power. So I will subtract 1 from the power, and this is called power rule.
Oh, I see.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear? I repeat it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Power rule. If we have given a function y is, I have to find differentiation. So what I will take derivative or differentiation on both sides. Okay.
Yes, I'm good.
Now, according to power rule, move this power. According to power rule, move this power forward. So I move this power forward, and subtract 1 from the power, from the n in the power. So, and what basically I did, I subtract this one from the power. So this become power rule, and this is called power rule. So what I actually did here here I apply this formula. And step number 5, I apply this formula. This 2, this 2.
Yes.
Hello,
Yes. I'm still.
Jane?
Yes. Hello? Can you hear me?
Acha, this 2 will come forward,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
and I subtract 1 from this power.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So this basically become power rule, and I mentioned this power rule in front of this step. You can see clearly.
Yes. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Uh, Now in step number 6, what actually I did, I moved this 2 forward,
Mm-hmm.
and then x power 2 minus 1, which is equal to x, and multiply by this cos y. So this will become our equation number 1.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Now again, you have given this question. This is our original question in step number 7.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to differentiate this function with respect to y.
Mm-hmm.
So what actually I did, I will differentiate this function with respect to y now.
Mm-hmm.
So the same method. I
Oh,
take
I have a
derivative.
question. So how do you know
Gigi.
that we have to differentiate in respect to y, because the because the question didn't say like which one we need to differentiate to. That
And
what?
the question, they have given you 3 variable x, y, and z.
Oh, so you have to do all of them.
So I have to do all of this. I have to differentiate this question with respect to all of these 3 variables.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see now. Yes.
Now, so I have, and step number 7, I have given the original question, and step number 7, I repeat the same process as I did for the x. I take differentiation on both sides, but this time I take differentiation with respect to y.
Yes, I see now. Oh, can I try to do it without seeing the result from you? So I'll share screen and try to do the y to make sure that I understand the concept.
I didn't get your point. What are you saying?
Oh, can I try to do it without your explanation first? So I'll share screen and do the y to make sure that I understand.
Yeah. Why not? Why not?
Yeah. So let me share my screen. Um, okay. So okay. So let me see the questions again. Okay, fxy. So x2 cos y.
X square cos y.
Um, plus is a sin.
Sin y.
Yeah. So in respect to y, so we need
Yeah.
none of these are constant because both of them have y. So
But listen to me. X square here in the first term, x square is constant, so you will move x square forward.
oh, I see. So x squared will be equal 1, right?
No.
Equal 0. Equal 0.
No zero, no zero.
Oh, no 0? Oh, okay.
You will move x square forward and will only differentiate cos y.
Oh, okay, I see. So for the x squared forward, I'll just differentiate this and this then, right?
Yes. You will only differentiate the y term.
Okay, so I think cos y is equal minus sin y,
Yeah. Absolutely right.
and sin y is equal cos y.
Yeah, Bill. Yeah.
Yes. So what would I do with this stuff?
This term will be written as same.
Oh, okay. So x2, so e like this.
E power z. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So is it the final answer for?
Yeah. Let me check it.
Is it right?
Jane,
Yes. Is it right?
let me check it.
Oh, okay, sure. How do I let you check it? Uh, oh, okay. I think you can control my screen now.
No, I can't control your
Oh, that's
screen.
all right. I'll stop sharing then. You can do it in.
Yeah. You stop sharing.
Okay. Oh, okay. You can share screen now.
Now you can see step number 10. Your answer was right, but you have only missed that negative sign.
Oh, that's right. I forgot.
Absolutely. You are a good teacher. You are a good student.
No, thanks to you, you made all the steps very clear. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I understand now. Okay, we can moving on to another part.
Now, and step number 11, the same method I will apply, but this time I will differentiate this with respect to z.
I see. Oh, could
Now,
you share screen with me?
yeah. Is it okay?
Yes.
And step number 11, we have given the same question. And step number 12, basically what I will do, I will differentiate it again with respect to z.
Yes.
Now, see, look here. In this term, look, is there any term z?
No.
No. So this whole will become a constant, and the derivative of a constant is equal to 0.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, I'm good with this. Hello?
Y plus this is constant, and I told you that the derivative of a constant is equal to 0.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Plus z cube will remain itself, and I told you in the previous question that derivative of e power z or anything power will be equal to e power that thing. So the derivative of e power x will be equal to e power x.
Yes.
Now add these three terms. So this, and step number 5, this will become y. 0 is nothing, plus z cube e power x. So this will become y plus z cube e power x, and this will become our equation number 1a. Now, if you look at the question, we have to find fxx, which means you differentiate this question 2 times with respect to x. Number 5, I already differentiate this question with respect to x 1 time. Now again, I will differentiate it with respect to x.
Oh, I have question actually. So in the step number 3,
Yeah.
so x power 3 and the differentiate of ex. So how is ex is still in the same form? It's a formula, right?
It's a formula.
Oh, okay. Sure. I'll double check it. Okay, please continue.
Now look at step number 6. I will again differentiate both sides with respect to x. So if the left side will become del square f divided by del x square. So this will represent the double derivative with respect to x. This will represent the double derivative with respect to x. I will take the derivative of y. Here y is a constant, so I will take its derivative or differentiation plus z cube will move forward, and I will only take the derivative or differentiation of e power x.
Oh, I have question. So in this step, in the equation, no, not in the equation, but you know the one that before the equal sign. So why there is x power 2? I don't understand why this.
X power 2 represent that this is 2 time derivative.
Oh, so is it the fx6?
Fxx, actually this is the fxx. You can also write here fxx.
Oh, I see. So this is the way that represent the fxx.
Fxx. This is basically double derivative. You can also write here fxx.
Oh, I see. Yes, I understand now.
And this is I will z power cube will move forward, and I will only take the derivative of e power x. Now look at here, y is a constant, and I have already told you the derivative of a constant is equal to 0.
Yes.
Plus z power cube will remain itself, and derivative of e power x is equal to e power x.
Yes.
These two things will be added, and this will give you the answer z cube e power x or e power x z cube.
Oh.
Are you getting me?
Oh, hang on. I don't understand the question. Let me reread it again. For 3 variables function, we have the formula in the matrix is. Oh, so hang on. Let me double check on the quiz. I'm a little bit confused of the way the question asked in this one. Calculate. Okay. So they give okay. So they give the calculate the Hessian for the function. Okay. So in order to calculate the Hessian, you need to find every differentiate of the function, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically this question and the last question have the same way of calculating.
In the same way of calculation, just you have to put the values in this matrix, and here you have to differentiate 2 times.
Oh, I see. Okay, I understand.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, please.
Now from equation A, this is our equation A. Look
Oh,
at here.
wow.
This
That's
is
the
our
only
equation
equation okay. So this is only the x equation. The x equation. Okay.
And step number 7, we have find fxx.
Oh, okay.
Now we will find fxy.
Oh, so we have to do each step to find out the question.
So we have already find fx. Now we will find fxy.
Mm.
So what actually we will do, we will differentiate this equation with respect to y. So this will become f, x and y.
Mm-hmm.
We have already differentiated this equation with respect to x.
Mm-hmm.
One time we will differentiate this equation with respect to y. So this will become f, x and y.
Mm-hmm.
So if take derivative on both sides with respect to y, so this is the old term, so this is the old term, and I take differentiation with respect to y here, with respect to y here, and with respect to y here.
Yes.
So this is y, so I will take differentiation of y plus this is z cube e power x. There is no term, this whole will become a constant because there is no y term.
Mm-hmm.
So I will take the derivative of this is a whole. Now again, this is that formula. If the term in the numerator and denominator are same, so this will become equal to 1.
Yes.
This formula, this.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Are you clearly see me?
Yes. Yes.
And differentiation of constant is equal to 0. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So fxy will be equal to 1.
Hang on. Let me please give me a moment. Let me double check on this. Mm.
Yeah.
So, what is the difference between xy and it's just fy? Because so far I don't see the difference between fx differentiate the step. You see the step 9 differentiate of variable xy. How is it different from differentiate of variable y?
I didn't get your point. Please repeat it.
Oh, here, let me share screen.
Yeah.
Yes. So, can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, I have a question. So, I think in the step 9, you was writing like this, and I was,
Yeah.
how is it different from this one? Because
Yes, yes.
this
It is
step I
different
also you
because
see.
the first one is differentiable two times, one time with respect to x and another time with respect to y. While del by del y, this is basically only one time differentiable, and that is with respect to y.
Oh, I see. So in this one, you have to calculate the fx and then the fy. Then what you do after?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly.
Oh, okay. So what you just did is you just do the fy first, and then you will do the fx, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay, I understand. Yes, please share screen with me again.
Are you getting me?
Yes, I understand.
Now, and step number 10, we get del f divided by del x del y is equal to 1. This is basically fxy, which is equal to 1.
Mm-hmm.
Again, write equation number A. This is our equation number A. This is.
Mm-hmm.
So we have write this equation here.
Mm-hmm.
This is basically, we have differentiated it with respect to x. Now we will differentiate this equation with respect to z again, so that we get fxz. We will now calculate this term, fxz.
Could you go back to the step 9? I think I need a
Yeah,
moment to read it. Yes, please wait for a little bit. Let me reread it. So in here you calculate f6 and fy. So please give me a moment to read this part carefully. So first the fy is equal 1. Then you do the oh yeah, this is where I'm not sure. So in the step 10, You got the function the fx, right?
Yeah, fxy.
Oh yes, fy. And then where you do the fx? Because in here there's a fx that time fy.
Can you wait for 2 minutes? I'm bringing my laptop charger because I'm on the
Okay.
top of on the top of my room, and my laptop battery you can see here, and
Yes.
I think I have only 20 minutes because my
Oh,
light
okay.
will also go on
Yeah, yeah,
6
sure.
p.m.
Sure, sure. Please go.
We will hurry so that we can conclude the lecture.
Yes. Oh, don't worry. We can do it again tomorrow if today we didn't have time to finish it. It's,
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry.
yeah.
I am bringing, but just don't
Yeah.
you don't go anywhere. I am just
Okay.
come back in two.
Yes. Yeah, sure. I'll read. I continue read the question.
Punctual. I am very sincere with my profession. So
Yes,
we
I
will
understand.
inshallah try to cover as maximum as we can do in 1 hour, 1 hour
Mm-hmm.
15 minutes, or 1 hour and a half,
Mm-hmm.
1.5 hour. Don't worry
Mm-hmm.
about it. But if we can cover, we will try to cover as maximum as. But if we have covered
Yes.
3 or 4 questions that you are fully understand, so
Mm-hmm.
that will be our goal.
Yes, I prefer that. I prefer we go slow, but then I really
Uh,
understand the concept before moving.
I, do, I want you to understand the questions through the concept.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Jane,
Yes, I can hear you.
uh, are you getting me?
Oh, I think I got disconnected from you for a little bit. I couldn't hear you. What I meant is
So I'm telling you clearly that I don't want 11.
mm-hmm, yes.
Again, we will write equation number A, and now we will differentiate. We have already differentiated this equation with respect to X. Now we will differentiate this equation with respect to Z.
Mm-hmm, yes.
Now, if we differentiate this with respect to Z, this is why there is no Z term here. So we will differentiate
Oh,
this term with respect to Z.
I finally understand what you meant. So first you differentiate as x, and then you get the formula that you differentiate the x in the equation A, and then you put it to y and to z here.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Exactly,
see.
exactly.
Okay, I got it now. Yes.
Now, so we will, I differentiate y. This is, I'm going to differentiate this with respect to z. So e power x will move forward, and I will only differentiate z power cube.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Now, y here, y is a constant. So differentiation of a constant is equal to 0.
Mm-hmm.
E power x will remain as itself,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
and here I will apply the power rule.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
According to power rule, I have already told you on the whiteboard. Power rule, this power will come forward, so this 3 will come forward,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
and subtract 1 from this power. So if I will subtract 1 from 3, so this will become 2, so I write 2 here.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So 0 plus this thing, this will be equal to 3 ex and z square.
Yes.
So I only find this row in the Hessian matrix. I find fx's, then I find fxy, then I find fxz. Now I will
Mm-hmm.
find the rest of the terms.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Is it clear?
yes, let me try to do the rest of the term on my own. I think it will be my homework. Then in the next session, you explain? Can I compare the answer with you, and then we go through the.
Ah, I will send you the notes, then you compare
No,
the
no, no.
answer with my answer.
Oh, no, no, don't send me. I'll do it on my own. Then in the next session, we will compare our notes and we will see if the answer is correct or not. because I want.
Okay,
Like
so
this.
so just do it on a paper as I did, and then send me. I will check it.
Awesome, awesome. Yes, I'll do the rest. So
Shall we proceed to the next question?
yes, yes, please.
Can you wait just for a minute? I am calling to my friend who is calling me continuously. I am
Okay,
telling you that wait for a minute.
okay, okay.
Just wait for a minute. Don't
Yes,
mind,
yes,
please.
sure.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Mm.
Sir, sahi hai. Sahi. Ji Jain,
Yes.
don't mind, please.
Don't worry. Yes.
Now we will come to the question number 8.
Yes.
This is the same to question number 7, but this is two variable.
Mm-hmm.
For the function f is equal to x cube plus x plus 2y, calculate the Hessian matrix, that is h is equal to del x xf plus del x yf del y xf del y yf.
Mm-hmm.
Here, look at here, like it. We have to differentiate two times with respect to x.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Here we have to differentiate the function first with respect to x and then again with respect to y.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have to differentiate the function first with respect to y, then with respect to x.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Here we have to differentiate the function two times, first with respect to y and then again with respect to y.
Yes.
Now look at the question. We in step number 1 we have the question, given the question f is equal to x cube y plus
Mm-hmm.
x plus 2y.
Mm-hmm.
Now differentiate this question, question and step number 1 with respect to x both sides.
Mm-hmm.
So here del f by del x will be equal to, I will move y forward
Mm-hmm.
and I will only differentiate x cube. So I take differentiation with x cube.
Mm-hmm.
Here I take differentiation with x simple.
Mm-hmm.
And this 2y is a constant, so I will take differentiation as a whole of 2y.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Now look at step number 3.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, I will apply power rule, x cube.
Mm-hmm.
This will equal to power rule.
Mm-hmm.
Power rule, I have already told you this power 3, this will come forward, so this 3 come here.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Subtract 1 from the power.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So I subtract 1, so this will become x cube.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting me?
Yes. Yes. I got you.
And this y will become here, so this term will become 3x square y.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh,
And I told you,
Jama,
Gigi,
I think it's time for you to go to the prayer session. It's almost 6. We start.
don't worry.
So,
I want to do this question for you. Then we will conclude this session.
oh, okay, sure. Okay, sure. Let's.
Don't Now, I told you this, when the term in the numerator and denominator become equal, so the derivative will become equal to 1. So I put 1 here.
Yes.
And this is a constant, and the differentiation of a constant is equal to 0.
Yes.
So in step number 4, this will become 3x square y, and 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1. So this is become our equation number 1.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Now, first we have to find del xx. Del xx means differentiate this function 2 times with respect to x.
Yes.
So in equation 1, we have already differentiate this function with respect to x.
Yes.
Again, we will differentiate this function with respect to x.
Yes.
So see here, take differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So this will become del square f divided by del x square. This is the same thing. This represent fxx.
Oh, I see. Ah, okay. I see now. Three.
And this, I am going to differentiate this equation with respect to x. So move this 3 and y forward from derivative. So I will only differentiate x square.
Oh, okay. I see. Ah, okay.
Or plus this one is a constant, so I will take derivative of this one, or differentiation, both are same thing.
Yes.
Now apply power rule to this x square.
Yes.
So this 2 will come forward and multiply, and it will multiply with 3. So 2 3s are
Yes.
2 multiplied by 3 equal to,
Yes. I see. Six.
give me
Yes.
answer. 2 multiplied by 3 equal to
6.
6. Yes, so this is 6. Subtract, and then subtract 1 from this power. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this will become x,
Yes.
and this y will remain itself.
Yes.
And the derivative of 1 is equal to 0. So we didn't write that 0 because it doesn't matter we write 0 or not write 0.
Yes.
So our one term is 6xy. This is our term of fxx.
Yes.
This is our, we find this term. This is our that term.
Yes. Oh.
Now we have to find this term,
Ah.
fxy.
Yes.
So look at in step number 4, we have already find fx.
Yes.
Now we will differentiate this equation number 1 with respect to y. So this will become our fxy.
Jamal, I think I have a suggestion since this question and the last question is both in Hexian, and I think I got
Yes.
the concept. So let me try it at home. Then in tomorrow we will compare our notes, and if I make an error, you will explain for me further where I got it wrong, because I think I got.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I'm not
All
sure.
that. Now but you also send me the next quiz so that I can also solve some question from that
Yes.
quiz.
Yeah, sure. I'll do it right after our session. So I'll see you tomorrow. Would it be all right if we do at the same time?
Yeah, yeah, at the same time I think,
Yes.
and what if we do it after the prayer time, if we start it, would it
Oh,
be suitable for you?
let me ask. Let me ask the because I have another session in coding. So let me see if I can switch the time.
Listen to me,
Yes.
what's the time there?
Oh, it's 7:59.
I mean 8 p.m.
Yes.
Oh, if we can start here, it is 6 p.m. So I have to go for prayer. Then
Yes.
then after prayer, I think if you can do with me after prayer, it would also be suitable. If not, so I think this time is also suitable.
Okay. Okay. I have this coding session from 8 to 9.
But
So,
I am all, the reason that I am telling you that we will shift our class this time after prayer, that I will give you extra hour, extra time.
oh, okay. I see. Because normally after 8, I have another session with coding tutor. So let me arrange it, and if I can't, then I think our original session is all right.
Oh, no problem. If you can arrange, that's okay. If you will not arrange, so I think we will continue at the same time. No
Yes,
problem.
awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. I
We
would.
will take a break. We will take a break for my prayer, and then my after my
Yes.
prayer, I will also tell. I will give you some 15, 20, or 30 minutes more. No problem.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Gemma. I'll talk to you later.
Now you come to Upwork, so
Yes.
you send me that the next quiz.
Yes. Yes. I'll.
What we will study so that I can prepare that for you.
Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah.
And don't forget to give me your precious feedback on Upwork, please.
Yes. Awesome. I'll do that.
As as you are my first client, and your comments
Oh,
will
I think.
improve my rating.
Yes, I think I'm not sure if I can give you right now because we are still under contract. I think like when the contract ends, then I can do that. But
Okay, okay, okay.
so I'll talk to you later, Jamal. Bye bye.
And tomorrow at the same time we will
Yes,
continue on Zoom,
yes. At the same time, at the same link also.
at the Zoom.
Yes,
Okay, inshallah, I will be all right there. And please, if you have any friends, any colleagues, and that want to teach math, state, physics, so please, I am expert in maths, physics, calculus, statistics, linear algebra.
yes,
So give him my Upwork link, so it will be
yes,
better for me, and I will be thank you. I will be very thankful for that if
yes,
you help me to promote my link.
yes. Sure, I understand. Thank you so much, Jamal. I'll send you more materials. I think we should keep the session in 4 times a week. Is that all right?
4 times a week.
Yes.
So which days you will teach?
Uh,
Today is Thursday.
yes. So uh, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, I'll take off. But Monday and Tuesday, is it okay?
Is it okay? But you have told me that I will only study 4 times a week.
Oh, let's okay. Let's in the first month, let's do it every day because I need the foundation of math.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I also want you to study every day so that you can cover more and you
Yes.
understand more. If you study 4 times a week, you will forget the rest of the work
Yes.
that we have already studied.
Yes. Okay. Let's do it every day.
So try to be punctual and try to study daily in the first month. After we
Mm-hmm.
complete the first month, then we will in the second month, if you you complete the first month, then in the
Mm-hmm.
second month we will only study 4 times a week.
Yes, that's good idea. So we will meet every day for the first month then. Okay, I got to go to my next session now, so I'll talk to you later. Bye bye, Jamel.
Okay,
Very much.
bye
Bye
bye,
bye.
Allah. Thank you. Thank you.